In this lesson, we will take through the motion graphic definition. What is motion graphic and what are the definition for motion graphic? Actually, there is a lot of definition for motion graphic on the internet, but I have choose the simple one and the base one of them in here. The first one is motion graphic is giving life or motion to still graphic elements. For example, if you have a graphic element that you have created in the Photoshop or Illustrator and you want to give a life for that and animate that, it's called motion graphic. Everything in the scene, every graphic element that have a motion, it's called motion graphic. These are very simple and there is not any other complex things in motion graphic, just the animation and motion of an object is called motion graphic. For better understanding, I have an example in here. Let's take a look at. I have a circle in here, a graphic element that represent a face of a character. It has a two circle that represent the eyes of character and the mouth. That is a still graphic element. And if I give motion for this element, see the change. You see that there is a motion for my graphic element. Different motion and different animation. And you see the graphic element is now so attractive and so beautiful. Okay, in the next lesson, we will go through the types of motion graphic and we will understand how many types of motion graphic we have.